Good morning, students. I welcome you all in grammar lesson direct and indirect speech module 2. In module 1, we have already discussed what is direct speech, what is indirect speech, how to change assertive sentences into indirect speech. Now, in this module 2, we'll discuss how to change imperative sentences into indirect speech. So, for that, you should know some basic things, and I'm sure that you are already acquainted with these basic things. Change of pronoun, this I told you in module 1 also. First person change according to the subject, second person change according to the object, third person no change. Update time specific words. When you change imperative sentences into indirect speech, then these words will be changed according to this chart. Here, there, today, that day, this, that, now, then, tonight, that night. I am sure that you all know what are imperative sentences. You have done sentence chapter, there we discussed. So imperative sentence, give command, advise, ask for help, request, advise. Example, bring a glass of water for me. First of all, you are to identify the sentence. Subject, what is subject there in the sentence, what is the object, how you will change reporting verb, and how you are going to change the pronouns used in the sentence. Change of reporting verb. When you change reporting verb into indirect speech, you are to use here the written words. Said to will be changed into ordered, requested, advised, forbade. You are to keep this 5-step formula in your mind. It will help you how to change imperative sentences into indirect speech. First of all, you have to identify the sentence. Then you are to change the reporting verb. As I told you through the slide, that said to will be changed into requested, ordered, commanded. You have to replace inverted commas with to. Then update time denoting words. This is the most important tip. This is the structure which you have to follow while changing imperative sentences into indirect speech. Subject plus reporting verb plus object plus to infinitive plus first form of the verb, then rest of the remaining part of the sentence. Let's understand it through the examples. An imperative sentence may be a request, advice, order or suggestion. So, said to will change to any one of the following: requested, ordered, advised, suggested, commanded, forbade. So this you have to keep in your mind. Now, how you have to use it? Let's understand it through the examples. Doctor said to the patient, quit smoking. Here said to is changed into advised. Doctor advised the patient to quit smoking. Look at the next example. Raju said to her, consult a doctor. This is quite clear from the sentence that this is advised. Therefore, said to is changed into advised. Raju advised her to consult a doctor. Use to as conjunction word. Now, see some more examples. Teacher said to the students, don't make noise. Here, said to is changed into ordered. Teacher ordered the students not to make noise. Look at the next example. Raju said to Ramya, don't touch my laptop. He is denying that she is not supposed to touch touch his laptop. Therefore, said to is changed into forbade. Raju forbade Ramya to touch his laptop. Don't use not when you are using forbade. See some more examples. He said to me, please help me. He requested me to help him. Here, said to is changed into requested. She said to him, please drop me at school. She requested him to drop her at school. So this way you are to change imperative sentences into indirect speech. I hope this would be quite clear to you. The verb of the reported speech is changed into an infinitive. Thank you for watching the video. Now, how to change interrogative sentences into indirect speech we will discuss in module 3. Thank you.